Hey guys, Steve Hughes here again. Going to look at another question for mean, median, and mode today. This one is doing a comparison. So here we have a bunch of data. Obviously, column K, I entered all the data. I use a total to count, right? I counted how many items to make sure I had all 24 of them. It says I have 24 recent ratings, right? So I entered my data, and then it says which measures of central tendency do not exist for this data set. Which do not exist. Well, I went over here and I said mean, median, and mode. All right, they all exist. So every one of them exists for this particular measure. It says suppose the measurement 11, the smallest measure of the data set, were replaced by 5. What would happen? All right, take a look, guys. What would happen? Take a look right up here. Put in 5. Does the median and the mode change? Watch. No, the median doesn't change. It's 48.5 still. The mode doesn't change. It's 53. Why? Because that 5 doesn't change the number in the middle, nor does it change the number that appears the most often. It only affects the average, right? Okay, so that's that one. So which measure of central tendency would be affected by the change? Only the mean. All right. Suppose the starting date with the original data set were removed. What would happen? All right. Watch this time. I'm going to delete. Okay. Watch two things. Watch my total down here. It's going to change to 23. And watch what happens over here. Okay. So delete. Now, the mean changed. The total changed to 23. The median is now 49, but the mode is still 53, right? Because there are 23 numbers in the middle. 23 numbers now have a number in the middle, which is 49. The average obviously changed, but the mode did not change. Because why? Because that's still the number that appears the most often. All right. Which of the following best describes the distribution of the original data? Choose only one. Is it negatively skewed, positively skewed, or roughly symmetric? All right. I went ahead, guys, and I put a graph here for you guys. You guys can just mess around with the graphs and see which one you want to put here, right? There are lots of options you have. So if you go home, you can go to insert, you can choose a graph, you can go look around this one. I looked at this, you can see obviously, right, this is not symmetric. This is not a symmetrical graph. This is skewed. Is it positive or negative? I'm gonna let you guys think about that. Positive or negative. That's it, guys. Take care. We'll catch you. Bye-bye.